So in this video, we're going to talk about the luminance of your picture, which is really just the brightness or darkness of a specific color. So before we go any further, just real quick, click the subscribe button to stay updated with any new tutorials that we'll be posting. Alright, so I'm going to show you from the basics panel, just in case you're not sure how to get there. So we're in our basics panel now, over here on the right hand side. You're just going to scroll down until you see your tab that says HSL. That's where we want to be working at. And you're going to click on the tab that says Luminance. So I'm actually going to work with, let's work with the greens of this picture. So if I slide the green back and forth on the luminance, see how that just, it more or less adjusts the exposure just for that color. And that's nice because if you use the exposure tab, remember, it's going to do it for your entire picture. You can come down here and you can select what colors you want to be brighter or darker. So that's just a little tool to help you enhance. You can do it with any color. I'll give you an example here, show you with red what that might look like. So we want it to really stand out. We could turn the red luminance down to make it darker. Then I'd maybe turn that green a little brighter. So that's just it's just a nice little tool in Lightroom.